Peekokids Ice Cream Stick Challenge. 10 days, 20 crafts with Peeko and Peeki. It was a hot summer day. Peeko and Peeki, both 9 years old, were feeling bored. "Let's do something fun this vacation," said Peeko. "Yes, something creative," said Peeki. They went outside with Mommy and bought yummy lolly ice creams. After eating, Peeko looked at the sticks. "Wait, don't throw these," he said. Peeki smiled. "We can make something." At home, they searched for ideas. So many fun crafts. They made a challenge. "For 10 days, we make 2 crafts every day," said Peeko. "One by you, one by me," said Peeki. Day 1, Peeko built a mini house. Glue sticks into walls, add a roof, draw windows and a door. Peeki made a fish. Line sticks, add paper tail, fins, and big eyes. Both laughed. So cute. Day 2, Peeko made a birdhouse. Shape sticks like a house, paint, add tiny birds. Peeki made a sun. Draw a smiling face, stick rays around it. "Bright and happy," they said. Day 3, Peeko made a pencil holder. Wrap sticks around a small box or roll. Peeki made a ladybug. Paint red and black, add dots and eyes. "Perfect for study table," said Mommy. Day 4, Peeko made a toy train. Use sticks for body, bottle caps as wheels. Peeki made an ice cream craft. Make cone with sticks, add colorful scoop. They giggled. "Looks yummy again." Day 5, Peeko made a butterfly. Arrange sticks as wings, decorate with colors. Peeki made a unicorn. Add rainbow hair and golden horn. "So magical," said Peeki. Day 6, Peeko made a rainbow hanging. Paint sticks in rainbow colors, hang with string. Peeki made a toy car. Stick body, add bottle cap wheels. "Zoom, zoom," said Peeko. Day 7, Peeko made a rocket. Make tall shape, add paper flames. Peeki made a bee. Yellow-black paint, add wings and smile. "Ready for space and garden," they laughed. Day 8, Peeko made a photo frame. Glue sticks in square, decorate with beads. Peeki made a boat. Make base with sticks, add paper sail. "Let's sail memory," said Peeki. Day 9, Peeko made a robot. Use sticks, caps, and paper antennas. Peeki made a frog. Paint green, add big funny eyes. "Beep, beep, croak, croak," they laughed. Day 10, Peeko made a flower garden. Green sticks as stems, colorful paper flowers. Peeki made a mini guitar. Shape with sticks, draw strings. "Music and flowers together," said Mommy. The room was now full of colorful crafts. Mommy said, "You both turned simple sticks into beautiful art." Peeko said, "Best summer ever." Peeki said, "We made everything with our own hands." Peeko and Peeki smiled at you. Which craft did you like the most? Try it at home and tell us in comments. Bye-bye, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.